The conditions for today's sail, I was running my storm jib and I was running a full main. The wind was coming directly from the south into the boat ramp. So as I came out of the boat ramp, I set my sails up. You can see that from the starting point, and I immediately started tacking directly into the wind. As you can see on the graph, which I actually was able to download from my GPS device, I finally figured out how to pull it out of the GPS and onto the computer. Sailing is a lot easier than the computer sometimes. So it shows, I don't know how many tacks it was, I don't want to count them, but I was tacking all the way in the entire way into this sail. I had the boat heeling anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees from my inclinometer, and the boat was handling exceptionally well today. Didn't have any feeling of tipping over or out of control. No gusts were too much for this boat to handle during these conditions today. I think it was a perfect setup. When you do look at my boom, I think I need to get a boom vang for the main. When I let it out, it does have a little twist to it. So I will be looking to see how to get a boom vang on here. This is the Compact Legacy. It is a Doyle mast and boom. If anybody out there is looking at this, put in the comments what you guys have used, a Compact 16 or whatever smaller boats you have on your setup for your boom vangs. I'd like to know that. You might be able to see one or two white caps out in the distance. It was just on the verge, not really a white cap day, but the waves, a good solid foot waves, maybe foot and a half, give or take. I don't know. I'm not really the best at judging the waves completely yet, but you can see we were going right into them, tacking away. There was nobody out on the lake today. I had a wonderful day. Pretty much had the lake all to myself with consistent winds. It just really made for a wonderful sail getting out there. Tacking into the wind with as many tacks as I did, again, it was great practice. I usually do that. When I actually get out of that boat ramp, I'll set up my sails just about as fast as I can. And then I'll start either tacking, beam reach, whatever conditions that wind is going to give me, I'm going to start sailing to those conditions almost immediately. The reason I do that is I want to be able to sail in any condition. I do not get to go out to the lake every single day, every single weekend. So when I do have the chance to get out, I am going to sell it. I don't care if it's 5 miles an hour or 20 miles an hour. I want my boat set up so that way I can take whatever condition is out there. One of the biggest things is I don't want to sail in the rain. Even if I have the day off, that I don't want to be miserable out on the water. But I will go out on a light day. I will go out on a heavy day. Whatever those winds are showing, I will adjust to those winds. I don't want to be one of those sailors that only goes out there when the conditions are absolutely perfect, because I will never get out on the water. So the whole purpose of this boat is to get out on the water and go sailing. And this was a lively sail. It was a really great sail. As you can see, not many people were out there, and they should have been. It was a great day, especially for sailing. Nice steady winds to get me going the whole way through. This sail was about 4 hours long, and I, according to the GPS, traveled 9.61 miles with all of those tacks back and forth, and then the downwind sail going in. So anyway, I will catch you guys next time on Squally Heifer Adventures.